What's good, you guys? It's AdaKendall here, back on YouTube, and today we're going to be diving into the health and lifestyle realm of YouTube, showing you guys what I typically eat in a day when I'm more weight loss and calorie deficit focused. And typically I do aim to eat higher since I do gym every day and I want to build muscle mass, but for the purpose of this video I will be showing you guys the 2-3 days that I do eat 1,500 calories deficit and below. And also another disclaimer, because it's YouTube, but what works for me will not work for everybody else, so I do really recommend you guys consult professionals. So I try to keep this calorie, time and budget friendly. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. So on days like this where I like to be more calorie deficit / weight loss journey, I like to focus on a heavy breakfast, a heavy lunch and a super light dinner. Ever since I was young, my parents have always told me it's great to start off with an empty stomach and a cup of water. So I've just upped this by having some green tea, kicking off our metabolism as well as have a little pick-me-up. Then we're going to go ahead and cook some oats as our first meal of the day. I like to keep it super simple. This is peanut butter oats. So we're going to be following the serving size recommended by the brand, which is about 40 grams. A serving of peanut butter. You can always cut your calories down by not adding this, but I just really like it. On days where I don't add peanut butter, I like to add raspberries instead. Then I'm going to make a little weird conjunction of skim milk and almond milk. I use about 1/3 of a cup of skim milk and 2/3 of a cup of almond milk. And we're going to cook this on the stove until it starts bubbling. Now you're going to set that aside, and I'm just going to make it look more pretty and whatnot. So I'm going to add some crunchy cereal on the top, just because it mixes well with the texture, some chia seeds and some blueberries. So, and that's it for breakfast. Super easy to make, probably takes me about 5 minutes every single day and super filling. Then we're going to start off with lunch. I'm actually going to be making a meal prep for 3 meals, which is why I'm preparing more than needed. I'm going to be making a little veggie mix with 1 bell pepper, 2 cucumbers, or you can use zucchini, carrot, corn and peas, which I just kind of stir fry after cooking the chicken. I'm going to be using some NANDOS medium marinade sauce just to cook up some chicken on the stove. Also, I wanted to add in a note that I only ever cook chicken with the NANDOS marinade sauce, otherwise I use teriyaki marinade. Then I just kind of section that into 3 meal prep containers so that I have enough for another 2 days, and we're good to go. And now it's time for a snack. I'm just going to be eating a bowl of cherries. Cherries are literally my favourite fruit, FYI. And I'm not even joking when I say I eat it every single day. I absolutely love it. Since I was feeling a bit lazy and I knew I didn't want to prep stuff later, I decided to also prepare my dinner, which is why you guys can see the lunch chicken in the background. But like I said before, on my calorie deficit / weight loss days, I like to have super heavy breakfast and lunch, but a super light dinner before gym. So I'm going to be grabbing a plate and then using 2 handfuls of baby spinach. I'm going to add also some roast chicken left over from last night's dinner. See, I do try and up my protein through chicken as well as protein powders, but we'll see how we go. Then I'm just going to add in half a sliced avocado. Then I'm going to be using some Greek lemon dressing. I only use about half a serving of the recommended size. And on days where I don't use this, I normally use French dressing. I'm just seasoning my salad with some salt, pepper and cayenne pepper, and we're good to go. I was feeling a little bit peckish at this point, so I just decided to treat myself with some chocolate. I have a YoPro protein yogurt and strawberry, but it's still good because I'm still within calories. I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat after the gym. So it's not really eating, but I just drink some protein powder. Today I'm going to be using the Women's Best Fit Y protein and cookies and cream. It comes with 24 grams of protein and it's super delicious. This video is short and simple. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I eat on a weight loss / calorie deficit day of the week. Again, I'd just like to point out that normally I do try and aim to eat higher than this, but for this purpose I'm showing you guys those specific days, and I will be showing you guys the other days in a different video. If you guys would like to see more of my content, please click that subscribe and like button, and I'm always open to video suggestions, so drop that in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Every time you open up, I'm shutting down.